The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance House Killer!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dance House Killer. Big up and respect to each and every one. And this video that I just present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is out on social media where there is claims of police harassment, right? It is being said that it is police harassment, and based on some of the things that has been said on social media and in the video, it is said to be about marijuana, or some persons would say spliff. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, as I see this video, I'm wondering if this video had been made before marijuana had been decriminalized in Jamaica, or is it that this video had been recorded after marijuana had been decriminalized in Jamaica? Because if it had been recorded after marijuana had been decriminalized, then I'm wondering what could be the real reason for this person to have been detained, you know? Could it be that this person had more than the legal amount that you're legally allowed to carry in Jamaica? Because marijuana had been decriminalized in Jamaica, but as an individual, you're only allowed to carry a certain amount legally. All right, and not to mention there's laws out there about smoking in public spaces. You see what I'm saying to you? So whether it be marijuana or tobacco, there's law out there about smoking in public spaces. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes. So I'm wondering, like, could it be about the marijuana for real that this person had been detained, or is it that it's about something else? You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what you have seen in this video. You know what I mean? And this is where I leave it, you know? So until the next time, my name is Dance House Killer. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?